Okay. The topic we're going to do is planner drawings. Now I'm going to introduce my group members, and my name is ITD, the first one, and Ken Ho is this one, and the other persons we're going to present is Lee Sons. Then who is the one going to do the planner drawings is planner architect. As we know, like they got some different types, different way to call them as regional planner and also city planner. The most popular, like we probably call them as urban planner. This is the work that they're going to do. First of all, they will do about the recommendations where the buildings and also the public utilities and the other structures where they're going to build. And the others is understand the authorities of the land use or land law and categorize them. Then after that, they're going to decide what strategies or what ideal concept they're going to use to plan the city. They got 5 types of plans. Then later up, I will explain to you all the 5 types. Then they got a few like 7 types of land use. First is the residential lands. Residential lands, they're going to build the place as a housing area, such as apartments, buildings, like that. And the other is recreation lands. Recreation lands, they're going to build for entertainment things, such as the sports centers, stadiums. And the other is the industrial land. Industrial lands, they're going to build for industry area. A lot of factories will build at there. The next one will be institutional lands. Institutional lands, they're going to build it as government centers, such as governments, buildings, and everything like that. And for the commercial lands, they will use it as banks or makes the place they're going to make money or store markets. Then the place is open and vacant space. This is actually a free area. You can design any type of drawing at there. Then the last one is the preservation area. Preservation area is the place that cannot be do anything because it's preservations. They're going to protect they're going to protect from destroy or they're going to protect the naturals. This is the way how they categorize the city. Like they're going to separate them and understand where is the place they're going to use and understand the categories. Now I'm going to explain the 5 concepts of the plans. The first one is the strategy plan. Strategy plan, they're going to they do the plan for improve the economy and living condition of citizens affected. The sample I'm going to use is the Seri Tanjung's Pulau Pinang. They build the city and there and make the cities become more crowded and more economies is going to be there. Comprehensive plans. Comprehensive plans is plans that completely with every buildings, like such as transportation, utilities, and also the shopping center like that. And the sample I'm going to use is the Bandar Sampai Selangor, like everyone knows the Bandar. And the neighborhood plans. Neighborhood plans plannings deal with a level of planning greater than household size but smaller than the city size. The plans are going to use the data Park City component population. The house is actually like very crowded and the place is actually like people can know each other for the neighborhood, something like that. The historic preservation plans. They actually are plans to preserve, conserve, and protect the artifacts of the historical significance. Like the place is going to use is the red brick house, the dark hills, like here is the plans, get drawings and everything. The next one is the last one, regulatory and incentive strategies. They're going to build a control centers and control everything and inspect the cities, something like that. Like most probably is used on the jails, something like that. They're going to control them, build a center and control everything there. Now I'm going to pass the other to the other one.
Okay guys, now I'm going to tell you the stages of drawing. During the first stage of drawing, we have to, the planner architect need to get to know the client and understand what they want and what they need. And they need to grasp the whole idea and communicate well with the clients. And after that, only they will start sketching. And during the second stage, before they present the idea, they will do a survey at the site. Now is the third stage. They will show and explain a rough idea to the client and maybe will make some minor changes. Maybe the client disagree with the proposal or anything. And after that, they will choose the material which is suitable for the project. And they will even explain everything to the clients and wait for the client to make a specific decision. And the last stage is like it's a final plan. When the final plan is done, they will calculate the whole idea. The cost is calculated, and then they will pass the project to the construction, and the construction will start right after the clients are satisfied with it. This is the organization and body involved in urban planning. They will ensure the uses and developments and conservation lands is perfect. Yeah, they play an important role.
I'm going to explain the process for sketching. Initial sketch plan develops design, final plan, and specific plan. This one is local one, so we are using the designer is Sasaki Associate INC. Initial sketch plan is basically where they give out ideas and they tell the client where they want to put the buildings. They never do the detailed thing first. So they will put here, maybe they want to tell the client that they putting the LRT station over here, so they basically know how it goes. So they concern about the environment, so if like wind strike, they can take another damage. Develop design. This is when they put in the detail, like decide what material they use, and they decide how the building look like, the cutting edge. So this is when after the initial design, they design, so they will design it in detail so the building, they will know. And this is the final touch-up. They will put everything into a design, then they will start use those AutoCAD and all those like to make it very detailed. So how many windows, the material they use, and after this they will start construct. Yeah, that's all. And this is we are making a comparison between local and international. So this is from international, and we are using the MBH Urban Planning and Design. So this is how they do in the initial sketch plan. This is where they plan it. It's something like local one, but it's just more detailed. And still the same, they also put in the detail and the material they decide to use in developed design. So this is a final sketch plan. They do all the things here. So they will submit this to their client and start construction.